reason.
Tina Macuha there now to tell us more about it. Hi there.
Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning. Everybody, stay in line. Stay in line.
Stay in
You
line.
look too big to be in second grade. This is Mr. Anand. Vern
Hello, how are
Anand.
you?
How are you?
I'm well, thanks. It's a fantastic day.
And you came, when we got here, you said, welcome to Bell Avenue School.
Absolutely, this is Bell Avenue School.
We got a big assembly here outside because the kids are going to be looking to the skies. Why?
Yes, because we have a very special presentation. We have a helicopter from the Sacramento Police Department, the brand new helicopter.
Yeah, it's
and our
cool.
students voted on some names that we gave to them to name the helicopter.
Okay.
And they're going to tell us what they chose, what the name of the new helicopter will be.
Ah, I understand that the Sacramento Police Department does a lot of stuff with the kids here, right?
Yeah, so right up the road from where we are, there's the Police Cadet Academy.
Okay.
And so last year we partnered with them. They come a couple times a month on Fridays and during our lunchtime, and they play with the kids and play games and develop relationships with students here. We thought it was a really great opportunity for our students to know someone in the police department,
Right.
a strong relationship, as well as for the cadets.
Do the kids know that that's what they're going to find out today?
Yes.
They know it's
Yes,
about
they're
the
excited 'cause
helicopter.
they did it.
Hey, what'd you call me? Tina Macuha. Hey, what's your name, sweetheart?
They know who you
All
are,
right,
T.
nice to meet you. That's because that teacher told them.
Oh.
She said, I used to listen to you way back when. Anyway, helicopter will be here shortly.
Okay.
Hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom. Goodbye, guys. See you in a little bit.
Where's his jacket? I was thinking the same thing.
I've been doing
Why
weather
are you
50 times an hour.
outside? No
Good job.
jacket.
Good job. You were on TV.
Your mother is freaking out right now.
How is it that kids are never cold?
They're never cold.
I just don't get it.
Oh, yeah.
It's so funny.